Welcome back to the channel. Just here today to unbox an Amplagame FIFINE microphone. So you'll see what's in the box. And this one's the AM8. It's a USB microphone, but it also will work with XLR. So you've got some compatibility there. If you watch to the end, you'll know what's in the box, and I'll give you some of my thoughts on microphones in general. Now, before I go any further, I've seen a lot of different people pronouncing this brand FIFINE. There's no fine in the beginning. It's FIFINE, F-I-F-I-N-E, as you can see. All right. Anyway, with that English lesson out of the way, let's start to open up this box, see if it'll cooperate with me, which doesn't look like it wants to, but anyway. Okay, one there, get rid of that. Alright, comes quite well packaged. Now it's lifted up this top. Okay, so let's get these things out one at a time. So you've got a base that's quite weighty. It's got a rubbery non-slip type mat on there on the bottom with a screw thread. You get your FIFINE AM8 user guide. So you get a user guide. Let's see what else is in the box here. You get, obviously, the microphone itself, and they've provided USB-A, which has an adapter, and it goes to USB-C to USB-C cable. So if you're using XLR, you need to get your own cables. Okay, I'll get that. I'll pack that box up and move that out of the way, and we'll just have a look at the microphone itself. Okay, so this will also allow you to mount it onto a boom arm. So if you've got a boom arm, you can mount that on there. That's looks like a standard mounting point to me. Now, gee, that's quite tight. So they've sent this. So you can adjust this, so then you can move this. So if you were to mount that on a boom arm, you maybe have it this angle or whatever, probably with your controls towards the bottom, if it was above your eye level. On the back, okay, so we've got headphone out, so you can monitor the audio. USB-C, so that's probably what a lot of people are going to use. But if you've got XLR, it has that capacity, and a lot of people now have control pads and things, mixers. If you've got that, you can make use of the XLR. I doubt for most purposes that it's going to make a huge amount of difference. Remember, this is a budget microphone, so you know you're not going to be expecting the world's best audio, so you don't need to use the XLR is what I'm saying. The USB-C should suffice for most people. It's got quite a decent foam padding on there. Let's just pull that off and have a look. So there's the microphone itself underneath. So it's a square shape, but that fits on there quite neatly. I'll just stick this onto the base now. So you can screw that onto the base. I do have another microphone on a boom, but I thought I would use this second microphone for two reasons. The quality of the audio on this one will probably be slightly better than the other one I've got. Plus, I can also adjust this easily from the top. And also, sometimes the boom, when I'm trying to do something with my computer, the boom actually will get in the way. It can be quite annoying sometimes. So this, when I'm not using it, I can sit off the side of my work area where I'm working, typing or whatever. When I need to do some audio, I can bring it and sit it in front of my face, angle it up, whatever, and you can also do all your adjustments straight from the microphone itself. You can put your headphones on if you want to hear what it sounds like. So for me, this was just a slight upgrade and more convenience without spending too much money. I can't remember the exact price. They're less than $100 on Amazon or eBay or wherever you want to buy them. So yeah, I think I'll wrap it up with that. That is your FIFINE AM8 unboxing. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.